on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally caught a pair of the 700 V1s Sun to add to the collection. We've been waiting for Yeezy to drop a 700 V1s for a minute, so we're glad they finally decided to go with this bright colorways. We're going to be showing you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, so stay tuned to the end of the video. We've been waiting to get it in hand because the color scheme is very similar to like that Yeezy Wave Runner. A lot of people are saying that the sneaker is very hard to style on feet, so we're going to be showing you guys multiple outfits, different range of outfits to style the sneaker, so stay tuned. As you get up close and personal with the sneaker, you can see the details that they decide to change. For example, you can see they decide to add this mustard gold color on the upper, and you can see the Wave Runner elements that they decide to include on the sneaker, which really adds that similar design. And you can see the midsole has this brush effect, which really adds to that sunset kind of vibe. And the color is more of like a salmon kind of color. It's not really like a true orange. This oval shaped things on the side are more of an orange, but overall the midsole is more of like a salmon. As you guys already know, the 700 V3s was very prominent in 2020. They took a step back in the V1s, which was kind of unfortunate in my opinion, because the V1s are very classic and they're very fun to style as well. Yeah, it also has that nostalgic vintage look to it. And I think the last 700 V1 colorway that released was the Carbon Blues back in 2019, which is really crazy to think about, but I really liked how they decided to go with this bright approach on the sneaker. It kind of reminds me of that Yeezy Gap collaboration, so it's really going to be interesting to see what they come up with in that collaboration. This sneaker is not really appropriate for the winter. This is more like a spring summer kind of sneaker. I don't know why they decided to drop it in the winter time. I guess the new collaboration with Gap, like the pieces in that collaboration looks like it's going to really go well with this sneaker. The last 700 V1s that we picked up was this magnet colorways, and as you guys can see, it has that Wave Runner look, but it was toned down. That's why we were drawn to the sneaker. Initially, people were like not fans of the original Wave Runner. Now everybody wants a pair. It's kind of crazy that this one was very hyped as well. It was also very limited, so a lot of people didn't get their hands on it. But I think they're gonna go ahead and continue with this color scheme, because I think there's also like a blue color scheme that's supposed to be releasing later on this year. When I saw leaked pictures of the sneaker, I actually thought the yellow was gonna be a brighter yellow, like a sun bright yellow, even though it says sun, but it's a more mustard toned down yellow, which I like personally because it makes the sneaker like more easier to style. It's like a very energized Wave Runner, to say it simply, but as you guys can see, it has similar colors like this blue on the toe box and the green on the side panel, which really emulates that Wave Runner. It looks like more of like a dyed Wave Runner, or like an alternative version of the Wave Runner. Now you guys know the 700 V1s come with a full length boost, which makes the sneaker a lot more comfortable than the 700 V3s. And we went with our true size, a size 9, because this sneaker fits a lot snug than like most Yeezys, which we like it, and we went with that size. So if you guys don't like the tighter fit, you guys should definitely go a half size up. Now with this overall mustard look to the sneaker, it has this brownish tone as well. It's really gonna go with muted tones. Like for example, if you have like a blue piece, you definitely want to tone it down and go with more of like a muted blue, or like a muted green. Those type of aged vintage pieces will also really look well with the sneaker. So we're going to be experimenting with multiple Carhartt pieces, vintage tees, aged jackets, to really pull out the colors of this sneaker. We're not going to bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. We hope in the future they're going to drop out more fire V1 colorways, and we're going to be excited to pick them up to show you guys a review on them. Before we get to show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now, because it really helps the channel. And please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video. Guys, that like button is very important. It helps the channel grow, so if you guys really want to support us, go ahead and drop a like. And guys, tell us in the comment section which outfit was your favorite. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.